mawulire gannaku mu bwakabaka bwa Tooro oluvannyuma lw'empologoma y'ettoolo okugenda era nga empologoma eno ebadde epookya n'ekirwadde kya kansa mu ggwanga lya Amerika. King Oyo ebbanga libadde ddene ng'alwanagana n'ekirwadde kya kansa ekyamuzinda mu bulamu bwe. Bino bye bimu ku byafaayo bya King Oyo nga yasikira kitaawe ku myaka 3 gyokka.
15 years down the road, Oyo Nyimba is no more the toddler king who could clutch onto the royal garment of his mother in an official ceremony. He has grown into a tall and confident king.
I've been ready since the day I was crowned, so I think it shouldn't be a problem for me.
But it is these young people that Oyo wants to get close to when he finally runs his affairs.
I think education is a very important thing, especially for the youth. You know, with that we can ensure that Tooro has a bright future.
The mountain expedition. As we embark on this premiere of the King Oyo Rwenzori mountain documentary, let us be ever mindful of our responsibility to protect and preserve our environment through reasonable tourism promotion, vibrant conservation initiatives, and unbridled sincere government support in which we can create a sustainable future for Tooro Kingdom, Uganda, and the entire world.
To emphasize that culture is not static. It is alive, dynamic, and youthful.
In his remarks, Omukama Oyo implored the young generation to embrace their cultural heritage, blending it with innovation and entrepreneurship.
African youth are not only the leaders of tomorrow, but innovators, creators, and change makers.